I'm gonna unbox this little goodie here. It was time for me to upgrade my nightly covering. So a few nights ago, I did a little content on a bonnet. I actually wear a bonnet, I wear a scarf, and I pineapple with a satin scrunchie. That's how I preserve my coils overnight. All right, so let's open this up. This is from NPTressTreats. This was a plug that I learned of through Curly Girl Lala. She's one of my favorite content creators. This is not a PR package. I actually had to make this purchase on my own. I've been following this content or this creator for a while now, and sis has beautiful coverings, so I invested. Packaging is pretty cute. Package is happy to see you too. It came pretty quickly. I ordered it last week. I think it shipped maybe like a day or two later, and I got it today. Now mind you, I'm in a commercial building, so sometimes delivery on the weekend is non-existent. It smells really good in here. All right, so there's this. She put my name on there. Thank you so much. Another little card here. Has her QR on there. A couple little cards here. So cute. I could actually hang that on one of my mirrors. Sis gave me a discount coupon. Okay, sis. I'm feeling it. All of it. So cute. What's this? So this might be what smells really good. Yeah, it smells really good. So it's a scented like body oil. Can you see that? Hopefully. All right. Getting through all of the things. Here we go. Cute little packaging. So this was a set. This is a scarf, this is a bonnet, and it has a scrunchie in there. So I'm gonna get it open quick. Oh, and there's a little card on like how to do it. And my girl is on there. How cute. All right, so she kind of like shows you all the things. This was very well thought out, sis. You did that. All right, I'm gonna lay this down. So the first is the the first is the scrunchie. I chose this color because for whatever reason, this tends to be my color when it comes to bonnets and scarves. Like, I love it. Nice big bonnet. As my hair grows out, I need all of this. Yes, all of this. And it's soft. And it smells like heavenly, sis. I don't know what you put on this, but it smells delicious. All right, this is what I'm most excited about because I probably will not only be wearing this at night, but I will be wearing this, like wearing this, girl. Look, another card. Like, you really thought this thing out. It shows you how to put it on and everything. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, sis did that. And please, like, this one little curl. It's day 2 here and it's driving me nuts. Look how big this is. Yeah. As long as I'm good to this should last me a lifetime. I have scarves and bonnets that I've had for several years on end, but as my curls are growing out, getting bigger, getting bushier, it was time to upgrade. So yep, here this is. Maybe you will get a how-to out of me, but on these day 2 curls, I'm not touching them just yet. We might save that for another time. And even better, I can pack it up and travel with it. NPTressTreats. I hope I said that right. Girl, you did that. And you did it all the way right. Chef's kiss. You did that.